W. Children and baby shopping. Big W is a prominent Australian chain of discount department stores, operating as a division of the Woolworths Group. Established in 1964 in Newcastle, New South Wales, Big W has expanded to over 180 stores across Australia, employing approximately 18,000 people. Firstly, grab this card online or download the app for every scan in your phone before shopping. Collect 1 point for every $1 spent at Woolworths, Big W, BWS, and participating Ampol and EG fuel outlets. Once you reach 2,000 points, you can choose between a $10 discount on your next eligible shop at Woolworths, Big W, or BWS, or 1,000 Qantas frequent flyer points. Scan your physical or digital everyday rewards card at checkout to earn points. The retailer offers a wide array of general merchandise at affordable prices, including clothing, health and beauty products, homewares, toys, electronics, books, and small appliances. Big W is recognized as a one-stop shop for Australian families, providing both in-store and online shopping experiences. It also offers affordable children's clothing through a combination of strategic pricing, loyalty rewards, and extensive clearance sales by frequently offers clearance sales on children's items, with prices as low as $3 for t-shirts and $5 for track pants. These sales provide an opportunity for families to purchase quality clothing at significantly reduced prices. Big W offers a comprehensive selection of baby products, making it a convenient destination for families seeking quality and affordability. Baby clothing range includes essentials like bodysuits, onesies, leggings, and jackets. Brands such as Dimples and Bonds provide options that are both stylish and budget-friendly. For instance, the Dimples Baby Long Sleeve Bow Print Stretch Bodysuit is priced at $4.50. W frequently offers clearance sales on baby items, including clothing, toys, and nursery furniture. For example, the Bonds Baby Print Zip Wondersuit is available for $10 during clearance events. Big W provides nursery furniture and accessories, such as cots, mattresses, and bedding. Products like the Ingenuity Cozy Spot Reversible Duvet Activity Gym are available for $99, offering both comfort and functionality. The store carries a variety of feeding and nursing products, including bottles, sterilizers, and breast pumps. Brands like Tommy Tippy, Medela, and Philips Avent are featured, often with discounts up to 30%.